Right, it's day 2. Last night was a bit wet and windy. Well, not that windy, but it was particularly wet. Rained quite a bit, but today looks a lot nicer. Sun's starting to come out. There's a bit of a wind in the air, but it's nice. Well, I'm just... Mrs. Hayhoe's mocking me. I don't know what she's mocking me for. She's doing some strange noise about her. It's been a bit of a lazy day. Weather's been sort of hot and then drizzling. And we've sat around in the caravan and chilled out and stuff. I nipped home briefly to go and feed the cats because we're not that far away. They're still making weird laughs at me. We just got to get some fresh air, walk to the little play park again for a change. What are you all laughing at? What do you think of your new static caravan?
It's a bit small actually.
But a bit dry from the drizzle. And it's now raining. I love going away in the caravan, bracing. Typical early spring. Getting here for some shelter. Got some cake, put £1.50 in the tin. We've decided to head out the campsite and have a bit of a walk, so we're just following the road along to, well, we don't even know where, to be honest, just wherever our feet take us. Oh, what's this? Down by the side of the road? Look, gorgeous flowers.
Special bouquet, £20 to take away. Also, orders taken on...
Anybody want flowers by the road? Just what you need? Look, the honesty people. Let's see how much this place is. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Does that come with the house? And then after a bit of a relax, and after the rains have passed, it's still windy, we're off to get, there's like a burger van thing here, so we're going to check out what's we can have for dinner, shall we? What do you fancy?
A burger.
Well, that sounds a good place to be then. Get that nice sunset as well. So we've had burgers and whatnot at the what's it called, the bar area.
Stable.
Yeah,
Stable bar.
you'd bring your own food to it, and it was nice. And then afterwards, we just come back to the caravan and chilling out. It's really strange not being in the caravan because for various reasons for a few months, and it feels like 3 months worth of sleep and tiredness has caught up with me. And I don't know if it's just must be a relaxing atmosphere of a caravan. But
I think it's when you're trying to like de-stress or you realise how tired you actually were.
Yeah. It's been busy at work and then busy at home and all sorts of stuff going on. And first time away in the caravan, and all I want to do is just fall asleep every 5 minutes. Terrible. Maybe it's just my age. Only 25 and already starting to feel. But little Hey-Ho's finally ventured out on her own to the playground. She's having a play.
She's gone, hasn't she?
And I think there's a party going on at the bar tonight, so we might stick our heads in to see what's going on, and then we'll say, oh, modern pop music. Ibiza music. Not really our thing, but we'll stick our head in, see what's going on. Esther might want a little dance, and then we'll just
head back to the caravan,
chill, more sleep. But yeah, it's really nice and enjoyable. I'm enjoying it.
It's really nice. I like the pitch that we've got. We've got pitch 10, didn't we? And it just kind of look every angle. You're just looking somewhere down the caravan site. So there's like from the front window, you're kind of looking that way, and all angles covered. So
every
nice.
every view's a view.
Can be really nosy.
Yeah, we already see someone trying to pitch a tent in the wind. I spent half an hour doing it and then gave up and they've left.
And they've given up.
Yeah. If we'd known they were struggling, we'd probably help them. But we saw them starting, and the next one we know they were driving.
They're gone. We thought, what are they doing? It's like gone on reverse.
Yeah, but the winds have calmed down a bit, and it's quite a pleasant evening.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be another chill. But yeah, nice sight. More adventures to follow. Well, the party's in full swing at the bar. Not sure if we're going there. Not really 24-hour party people, but we'll see. Cup of tea instead, eh? Campsite's quite full of people. Lots of families playing out in the dark and stuff. I mean, it's still not even 8:30 yet. Here comes a party animal, stumbling out of the pub. Let's
get ready to stumble.
Let's get right. Oh, it's dark. I did literally stumble there. Right, bed. Day 3 on a blustery wind. And looks like a little Explore 304's arriving. I don't know if any Explore 304 owners watch our channel. I think some do. Is that you? That's a cool little one. I'll go down the pub later on and watch the Arsenal game. Pizza van tonight, and then around here found some old nice classic cars parked up. Up reasonably early on the last morning, try to get everything packed away and ready because although it's still pretty windy, it's supposed to be getting worse and rain on the way, so I want to get going as quick as we can. Hopefully, a safe journey. Okay then, we made it back safely. Weather improved, the winds died down and the rain and everything. Though it did rain while we were putting everything away, so it wasn't such a bad journey back. Yeah, it was a nice relaxing place, Apple Blossom Farm, wasn't it?
Definitely, yeah. I definitely would recommend going back there.
Yeah, it was just nice. We didn't really do much. We just been in the caravan for a change and just relaxed and chilled. You met some friends there, didn't you? And had a good time. And it's a lovely little site, a nice family-run site, nice and relaxed.
Very family orientated, wasn't it? It just felt like you're part of the little community.
Bit of different feel to the club sites, I think, and it felt nice. And I think we'll go there. It's not too far away from us, so I think we'll be popping back again in another video. But we had a nice time when we're back. We had a bit of a precarious incident coming back into the storage yard. Some of the aisles that you drive down are a bit tight, and one of the caravans that they put in here was a bit sort of poking out, and I sort of misjudged it back, and I had a bit of a mild panic trying to get the caravan back to get it around the corner again. But all sorted now, and the caravan's a bit dirty. So
yeah, I'm leaving it though. I mean, I don't know what you do, but I think I'm going to leave it.
Yeah, we'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our little trip away. Lots more content to come. Don't forget to
like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.